Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Project for the web, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Project for the web, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 website. Log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the app launcher in the upper left corner of the page. Click on the app launcher to view your available applications. Find and select Project from the list. When the project page loads, check for a settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Click on the settings icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, look for My Account or Account Settings. Select My Account to access your account details. In the Account Settings, navigate to the Billing section. Look for Subscriptions or Manage Subscriptions under the Billing options. Find Microsoft Project for the web in your list of subscriptions. Click on the subscription to open its details. An option to cancel subscription should be available. Click on Cancel Subscription to proceed. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. After cancellation, Microsoft Project for the web will no longer be available in your account. For further confirmation, you can refresh the page or log out and log back in. That concludes the process for uninstalling Microsoft Project for the web. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.